With the BMW Battery Charger, you can recharge the 12-volt lithium-ion or lead-acid battery of your BMW. Make sure your BMW is turned off before opening the bonnet. Before using the BMW Battery Charger, make sure to refer to your vehicle's owner handbook and comply to all safety instructions. Disconnect the clamps from the battery charger, plug the mains plug into the electric socket, and press the mode button on the charger until the correct program is selected. The LEDs on the charge unit indicate the charging programs for cars or motorcycles with normal batteries or with lithium-ion batteries. Disconnect the mains plug and connect the red clamp to the positive pole of the battery or to the jump lead post. Connect the black clamp to an earth post on the car, making sure the black clamp is not connected close to the battery or the petrol line. Connect the clamps to the charger. Insert the mains plug of the charger into the main socket. Do not switch on the car's ignition whilst the battery is being charged. The charging procedure starts fully automatically. The charging cycle display shows the current charge level. You can stop the charging progress at any time by disconnecting the mains cable from the main socket. Once you've stopped charging, remove the black clamp from the earth post. Remove the red clamp from the positive pole of the battery or from the jump lead post. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.